Do you feel like having a snack, but there's only a phone on hand? No problem! Start chewing on your phone case, cause it is completely edible today. Choose whatever you like. Ice cream, Chupa Chups, and even pizza. Bon appetit! A phone is a girl's best friend, but Blondie doesn't have an appropriate summer case. What should she do? All of a sudden, her friend with ice cream appears, and a brilliant idea comes to her mind. I urgently need to bring it to life. Blondie returns with a cute summer phone case. An ice cream factory has opened up in her phone. Sprinkle a board with starch and prepare 3 pieces of sugar paste. Add different food coloring into each. Roll out the light blue sugar paste and cut it out to be of the same size as your phone, leaving allowances at the sides for the borders. Attach the paste to your phone wrapped in plastic wrap in advance. Cut out a camera hole. Use a cardboard template to cut a cone out of the yellow sugar paste. Cut off the bottom part of the template. Put the top part of the template on the paste cone and make a wafer imprint on the bottom part of the cone with a cookie stamp. Finish the pattern on the cone using a modeling tool. Dampen the back of the cone with water and attach it to the case. Shape the ice cream out of pink sugar paste. Use a modeling tool to create an imitation of an ice cream spiral. Attach it to the phone case using water. Make a hole for a camera and add sprinkles on top. My friend keeps eating her ice cream. She is amazed to see me chewing on my phone case. My ice cream is not just a beautiful phone decoration, it actually tastes sweet. Take a bite. Don't be afraid. My friend is on her phone again. I bring a sweet present for her. It's Chupa Chups, but it's not her cup of tea. She's got a big lollipop just on her phone case. Isn't it fake? She takes off the wrapper. The Chupa Chups on her phone case is absolutely real. Melt caramel candies in a microwave. Add food coloring and pour the caramel into a semi-sphere mold. Insert bamboo skewers into a wide cocktail straw for the extra security. Press the straw into the mold and pour one more layer of the caramel on top. When hardened, take out the candy and attach it to the phone case with the melted caramel left over. Print out a Chupa Chups label and cover it with clear tape. Cut off a half and wrap the candy on the phone case. You can lick the huge lollipop on your phone case all day long. My friend is extremely thirsty. Let's quench her thirst with a Coca-Cola. Or my new phone case. A bottle of sweet drink is always on hand. Cut in half a plastic bottle toy using a heated knife. Take off the label and cover the bottle with brown acrylic paint. Spray with a layer of lacquer. Attach a mini Coca-Cola label. Trace the bottle half on a piece of plastic and cut it out. Pour Coca-Cola into a Ziploc bag. Put in a drinking straw and zip the bag. Put it into the half bottle and hot glue the plastic back. Attach the bottle to the phone case and decorate with palm embellishments. My friend is amazed. Cola in a phone? Can you actually download it on your device as a special application? Compact Coca-Cola is always with you. The only disadvantage is that you are out of it too soon. We need a recharge right now. Blondie is hungry. What can I snack with? These cookies are a gazillion years old, and there are no yummies on the horizon. But my friend brings a queen of lunch. It's a pizza. Oh, it's exactly what I need. But Blondie soon realizes it's no